Now you can smile, laugh, and make funny faces worry-free. Have you ever been worried about smiling, drinking from a straw, or making a really funny face, because you feared it won't make you get wrinkles faster? The good news is when your skin is fed good ingredients through our ultra-hydrating moisturizing cream, you don't have to worry if your skin is getting wrinkles and fine lines. Our Daily Moisturizing Cream has you covered, so you can go ahead and make your kids laugh all you want. Intense hydration that won't clog your pores. I believe in simple, clean, and revitalizing ingredients that provide deep hydration without clogging your pores. You can trust to only find natural and organic ingredients in my moisturizer formation. It is BPA-Free, Paraben-Free, Phthalate-Free, Oxybenzone-Free, and Formaldehyde-Free, and free of any other harmful ingredients. You only need one moisturizer for morning and night. Our Day-Night Miracle Cream is packed with premium antioxidant ingredients that deliver the nutrients your skin needs to be at its best throughout the day, and while your skin is recovering at night while you're sleeping. One of the best ingredients for your skin is frankincense. It has many amazing skin benefits, including reducing acne blemishes, preventing wrinkles, and is a natural anti-inflammatory. Directions for best results. Step 1. Wash your face morning and night with a high-quality facial cleanser. Dry your face thoroughly with a clean towel. Step 2. Apply our moisturizing cream morning and night before bed. Wake up to beautiful, radiant skin. Step 3. You are ready to rock your life with healthy, hydrated, and happy skin. Get your Day-Night Miracle Cream today, and you might want to consider getting one for your best friend too. Age like a queen. As women, we face so many pressures like never before in the history of the world. As wives, mothers, career women, and the backbone of society, we are expected to juggle all of our responsibilities and not let the stress show on our skin. The powerful blend of ingredients in our Day-Night Cream is up to the challenge to combat the daily attacks on your skin to help you age gracefully like the queen you truly are in just one easy product. The miracle is in the ingredients. We promise to provide you with only the best possible anti-aging ingredients to calm, repair, and hydrate your skin. Enjoy the healing benefits of Organic Aloe, Rosehip Seed Oil, Coconut Oil, Frankincense, Lavender, Jojoba, Vitamin B5, Vitamin E, and Avocado Oil, to name a few of the powerful antioxidant ingredients in our amazing Miracle Day-Night Face, Neck, Décolleté Moisturizing Cream. Great for travel and daily use. The 2-ounce bottle makes it super easy to take your daily moisturizer with you on the plane when traveling. No need to pack 10 different creams, serums, and gels. You just need one with our CicleKit Moisturizing Cream. Plus the spill-proof and leak-proof bottle. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.